Hey there, you beautiful people. My name is Yuri. Welcome to the Yuri Creates channel, where my aim is to help late-stage solopreneurs create engaging content, engaging video content, so you can reach an audience that other people can only dream of. Why solopreneurs? I've been a solopreneur for years, and I can tell you that even though I like to believe that I can do everything by myself, go out into the world and conquer it all by myself, I too need a bit of help. So chances are that other people who are solopreneurs need the same thing. Why do I say late stage? I have a feeling that certain demographic of people, maybe generation that wasn't born with a screen welded to their faces, have a lot of limiting beliefs around content creation and video making. They think it's just for maybe young people or just for certain platforms you have to be a content creator. And I don't think that that's the case. Particularly that generation, which I think have the most experience and a lot to say, don't do it because of these limiting beliefs. And why video? Because I've been creating videos for the last so many years, and I think it's one of the best ways to connect with an audience, particularly if your audience is all over the world or on the other side of the planet. You can't physically be there, of course. In many cases, nothing beats being physically there, but if that's not the case, then video gets pretty close. Anyway, I'm excited. I hope you're excited too.